Hey everyone, dun dun ding, and today we're playing Subway Surfers, and yeah, I was seeing if I was recording, sorry. Yeah, I'm recording. Okay, we're gonna play the Subway Surfers, so yeah, and you guys get to see if I beat my high score or not. Hi, dude, I'm using him. Okay, let's go. I'm not as good as all of you guys, so I play Subway Surfers. I usually play on my sister's iPad. I have a real good score on that, but not on this one. So, let's go. Oh, okay. Yeah. So, how's you guys' day going? Oh, let's get this. Yeah, past the Walmart. I always see that Walmart there. Let's go. I hate these because you have to go in and out with the coins, or you can, yeah. One time I tried to get 0 coins and that was not possible. That's usually not that possible to get 0 coins without like dying real quickly. So yeah, I'm getting there. Okay, let's go. I'm almost to my high score, guys. See? If you see in that blue box with the person face, you can see I'm almost there. I don't like those 2 times. They don't even really do anything. So, beat my high score. Then there was another high score thing I didn't get. So, yeah. So, let's keep going. I'm not too good at this game, so don't judge me. E. What was that? Okay. Oh, almost to this part. Okay, we're keep going, Isabel. Isabel. Bale. Oh, look, it's a work hunt thing. Ooh. There. We're almost dead here. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, we're almost dead. I got like 500 something. That was a good part. Oh, there. We died. I did 1 more life. Like I had 4 keys, so I had to only use 1. So, Saved my life. Oh, I died again. I'm not using those. So, I got a high score. Yay. Let's see what I get. Oh, get that. Okay, guys. That's all for today. And see you next time. Bye.